Hi, I'm Duncan from Boecker, Niagara. Today we're going to take a look at one of our F-Class screens here in the shop. We're going to give you one of the maintenance tips. Kind of like your car, you always check your tires, just looking for issues with them and make sure that they're running well. Just like tires on the road where you can skid off the road or cause an accident or hurt yourself, hurt your car. The F-Class is somewhat similar. We want to check the rubber mounts in here because, of course, if you got a bad rubber mount, that equates to downtime. So here we got the rubber mounts installed. In the F-Class, there's 16 of them. A couple of the things you look for delamination from the steel to the rubber, cracking up the middle, or general deep cracks in the rubber itself. Checking the nuts and bolts to make sure they're tight and the lock washers are in there. Also, from a maintenance point of view, you make sure the buckets are clean. Here you can see the tops are off the buckets. Always make sure the tops are on the buckets, and that inside the buckets that you take the material out of there so that there's no interference or hitting of the vibrating portion to a solid portion down below. See you in the next video.